Is it not coming, sir? It's late. Started then. Right. What about Riyadh and Shikaran? Abdul, sir, please, Abdul. First, madam. On Red Hat 6 server only. Red Hat 6 server only. First server which you created in long back. Abdul, please. Come on, sir. Okay. Today we are going to discuss about the how to create a partition. Very important part. First, set it down. Observe enough. Very important part. Very important. What the things we are going to do today. That will be going to work for complete this week and next week also. This week and next week is mandatory. If you are missing any class, Saturday, Sunday class will be there. This week, next 3 weeks, classes will be there. Classes will be there. Please be available. That's the thing. Okay. Today we are going to on the Red Hat 6 servers only. On Red Hat 6 only. On Red Hat 6 only, which we created beginning of the course. That's our only can on it. We are going to create. Tomorrow we are going to discuss on Red Hat 7. Come back here. Please observe. Today we are going to discuss about the when we created a voice installation, sir. We give 20 GB. Yes or no? Yes, sir. We have 20 GB. Create new virtual machine. Paste 20 GB we are given, sir. By that 20 GB, you create 3 partition. 3 partition as create aito. SDA1, SDA3 banta illi 20 GB 16 GB flash partition hoyito 20 to 291 MB it will happen to flash boot. Yes or no? Correct, sir. This partition what automatically done by kernel. Today we are going to create a partition manually. We are going to create a partition manually. That is by adding the hard disk. We are going to add a new hard disk. Please keep your mind here. We are going to add a new hard disk. On the hard disk, we are going to create a partition. This partition got created automatically from the Linux OS during kernel by using kernel. Yes or no, sir? Today, we are going to add a new hard disk manually. New hard disk manually, that is in data center, physical data center. We are working virtually. Correct? Our data center is a VM. Getting my point? Yes or no? In that our data center, you're going to add a hard disk manually, virtually, then you're going to do partition. Very important point. Getting my point, sir? No. SDA1 bantu SDA2, everyone execute the command fdisk-l, sir. Take the command fdisk-l. SDA1, SDA2, SDA3 idya? fdisk-l. Everyone should execute the command fdisk-l. Yes, no? Yes, correct. You are able to see SDA1, SDA2, SDA3. Yes or no? SDA1 but SDA3 df-hl command bantu. Correct? Correct. SDA2 where it assigned swap. You're able to see Linux swap, sir? You're able to see Linux swap? No. How to verify? What is the alternate command for that one? Type the command lsblk. Madam, 9:15. I'm telling madam for 15 minutes before. Please make everyone. Don't make it 9:30, 9:40. I'm telling 9:15. Give the 15-minute buffer. We make 9:30, 9:40 minutes. Don't put work. Type the command lsblk. Type the command lsblk. Here also able to see SDA1, SDA2, SDA3. How's that, sir? Yes, sir. Correct? We have a hard disk SDA. SDA is the minus 20 GB space. How's that? SDA is 3 partition divide ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು ಒಂದೇ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್. In laptop also I am only one hard disk. That is divided into C drive, D drive, E drive. Yes or no? In laptop you have one hard disk, C drive, D drive, E drive. Same as it is. 20 GB what we allocated during beginning of the OS installation, that got divided into SDA1, SDA2, SDA3. Yes or no? Correct, sir? That we have done. Now, this automatically happened during OS installation. Today, we are going to add an additional hard disk. Additional hard disk add ಮಾಡು manual ಆಗಿ ನಾವು partition ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. This partition automatically got created during OS installation only. That is a major part today. What we are going to do? We are going to add a hard disk. We are going to do the partition manually. Physical आगे in work when you are doing an office, right? They are going to add the hard disk physically in data center, in server. Here we are using virtual server, sir. We don't have any server. We have our VMware workstation player is our server, data center. Now we are going to do the adding the hard disk in there. Then we are going to come back here. What the advantage? Why you are doing this thing? Okay, after adding I will tell you. Oh, everyone go to VMware because we need to add a data hard disk, sir. Hard disk adding can be done only in data center. Artha kiji Aditya? Go to VMware workstation. VMware. Go to VMware, sir. In top section, get a player option. Player option is a top only. I'm using VMware Workstation Pro, sir. You all are using VMware Workstation Player. Okay. Top section, able to see player. Click on player. You're getting an option called as a manage or idya. All virtual machine settings and the option irutte. Howda? Yes or no? Yes, sir. I know. You can follow with me also. You are getting like this, sir? Yes, no? Yes, sir. Who are getting like this? Get nifty answer. Now, you can see here, only one hard disk is there. You can see there, hard disk, only one is there. Correct, sir? We need to add select the hard disk section. Select ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ bottom ಅಲ್ಲಿ add option ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. Add option ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? Yes, no? Yes, sir. Click on add. Click on add. Click on next. Click on next. SCSA anta barute, let it be same. Then don't do anything. Click next only. Size is the maximum disk size 20 GB anta idya. 20 GB beda namge 10 GB saku. We don't want to because more the space you use, more laptop becomes slow. Correct? 10 GB is enough. Change it to 20 to 10. Change 20 to 10. Aita sir? Then click on next. Then click on finish. Then click on finish. Then OK and the prompt irutte. Click on OK. OK idya ade? Click on OK. First you should complete. People who require, let me know, please. People require. Done? All. Done, madam? One opening only? One open. Get it. Come back, sir, now. Come back. Now, we added a new hard disk. ಹೊಸ hard disk ಇವಾಗ ಸರ್ವರ್ಗೆ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Windows will take it. Now, let me show the advantage of Linux. Please observe. Windows, we need to software installation, sir. Small or VLC player, Google Chrome, anything install. It asks for reboot. Yes or no? Small software installation only going to ask reboot. Linux, we added a hard disk now. Physical hard disk. Even if you add the physical hard disk, in Linux there is no required to reboot. This is a big component, sir. Software installation. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅದರ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ದು ಮೆಮೊರಿ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಅದರ ಬ್ಯಾಟರಿ ತೆಗೆದಾಗ reboot ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? Yes or no, sir? This is hard disk also hardware component only. Even if you add a hard disk, we no need to reboot. Windows, small VLC player, Microsoft Office, anything installed as for reboot. But Linux, even if you replace the hardware, add a new hard disk also, apart from motherboard and RAM, we no need to reboot for any hardware in Linux. Motherboard is important, RAM also is. That is 2. Without that, any hardware you replace, no required reboot. Now we add a hard disk. One option to make the new hard disk available. Physical add ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. Server identify ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. Server direct identify ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. Physical ಆಗಿದೆ. OS should identify it. Correct, right? See, anything you use, anything there will be hardware part, software part. Software is the OS part. Correct, right? No. Now hard disk we added in the physical data center. Now it should get identified. To get it identified, it should boot up once again. One option to reboot. Reboot ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ automatic ಆಗಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. But without reboot, how to identify? That is the challenge. That makes the Linux special, no? If you reboot, it become normal. Correct? Now, how to make the new hard disk available without reboot? That is the part we are going to discuss today. Correct? Then we are going to create a partition. Clear, sir? Now again you go back to putting. Data center part ಆಯ್ತು ಇವಾಗ ಪುಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ. LSBLK ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್. LSBLK ಏನೇನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಏನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಏನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ಸರ್? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈಡ್ ಟಿಲ್. ನ್ಯೂ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, ಆದರೆ OS ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. OS also don't know, kernel also doesn't aware. Now how to make the new hard disk available without reboot? Reboot ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಗರೇಷನ್ ರೀಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. But I want to make the new hard disk available without reboot. That make the Linux special. Correct? For that, everyone go to this part. Everyone give okay right there. Okay. This part, this class SCSI_host. First ಈ folder ಹೋಗಿ. Go to this part. ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋದ್ರಾ? ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, do LS-NTR. You're getting a lot of entry. host 1, host 2 till host 34 ತನಕ, 32 or 34. Do LS-NTR, you have a lot of entries, sir. Yes, no. That is the point. Please observe. Here and go to this path first. All done? Observe notice. Please observe. Now I do LS-NTR, you will see lot of entry. What is done, sir? All done, right? Last bench, guys. We are able to see lot of entry. What is this entry? What is the hard disk present in your Linux server? It got divided into
You also record your voice and go on here. How you feel you come there? Well, I just joking. Come back. Come back. Clear, sir? Correct? Now what are the artists we having in Linux server? It divided into number of host segments. Host segment ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು and disk segment ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. What are the artists, existing artists, new artists, what are the things we having? It divided into number of the host segment. ಇವಾಗ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಹೊಸ ಆರ್ಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಬಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈಡ್ ದಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಒನ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ರೀಬೂಟ್ ಆಟೋ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಟ್ ರೀಬೂಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ನೇಚರ್ ಸರ್ವರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಡೌನ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಡೌನ್ ಮನಿ ವಿಲ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ರೆವಿನ್ಯೂ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ to get one reboot approval we need to wait for 15 days because Linux is up in office my Linux was up from 5 years also because Linux is rarely reboots rare yearly once or this. Getting my point sir now without reboot I will reboot ಬಂದ್ರೆ automatic ಹೊಸ artist ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ LSBLK but without reboot how to do for that I need to scan the all the host segments now how to scan the single host segment I'm going to show you then we're going to do for the multiple host segment. I repeat once again how to scan a single host segment I'm going to show the manually you people not going to do okay and then I'm going to write a small shell script to scan the multiple host segment then new hard disk will be identified. Understand my point sir? First I'll show you sir what is the 3- you no need to do this thing what is the 3- I'm going to tell you don't worry about right now. This class SCS you don't need to do host 0 scan is the command to scan the host segment ಈ ತರ host 0 host 1 host 32 ತನಕ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು manual ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು but I don't suggest that one we'll do with the shell script this you people going to do once I complete it correct first I'm going to show you we're going to learn shell scripting don't worry about it for I less than equal to 32 what is the command echo this command ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಸೇಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಸ್ಟ್ $i ಬಂದು 0 ಇಂದ 32 ತನಕ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್ you're going to scan all the host segment now correct I'm going to paste this in notepad everyone should do it post this only new hard disk will be identified. Everyone should do sir that is hyphen sir not underscore hyphen space is there after hyphen space is there please everyone should do it everyone once this done only on next 3-day classes we can do everyone should do sir hyphen space is sir please after hyphen space is there after each hyphen space is there ಆಯ್ತಾ? Done? Give enter. All done? Who are executed this command? Can you lift your hand? This is very, very important for next 3 classes. Who can lift your hand? Okay. Now type LSBLK. Now type LSBLK. SDB ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. Type LSBLK. SDB ಬಂದಿರಬೇಕು. ಬಂದಿದ್ಯಾ? Who all got SDB? Can you lift your hand? Okay. Hemant, what is that guy? Deepak. Done? SDB ಬಂದಿದ್ಯಾ ನೋಡಿ. LSBLK. Who are not getting, kindly call me please. People who are hesitant now to ask, they will not be able to do for next 3 days completely. ಆಯ್ತಾ? Everyone got SDB, right? Now, we based on everyone's confirmation going ahead. This topic important for next complete this week also, next week also we are going to use. Please keep in mind. Everyone got SDB? Yeah, super. Now we got the artist. LSBLK ನೋಡಬಹುದು. Good. Now you can check in FDs-L also. FDs-L ಮಾಡಿ. You can verify FDs-L also. /SDB ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌದಾ? Type FDs-L also. Getting my point, sir? Now we physically added a hard disk. Correct? Now we going to partition manually. ಈ partition SDA one ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 second sir. 1 second keep in mind here. SDA ಬಂದು physical hard disk which is given in beginning. That got automatic partition SDA1, SDA2, SDA3 from Linux OS itself. ಅದು automatic ಆಯ್ತು. SDB ಒಂದು manual hard disk we added right now. We going to do partition manually. One hard disk can be divided into maximum 4 partition. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಒಂದೇ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ ಇರೋದು. ಆ ಒಂದು ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ 3 ಪಾರ್ಟಿಷನ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಅದೇ ತರನೇ one hard disk ನ maximum 4 partition we can create in Linux. You can create one partition 20 GB also, 10 GB also. You can create 2 partition 5 GB also. You can create 3 partition 3 also. Other one hard disk for 2, one hard disk, one partition for 2, another for 5, another for 1, another for 1. Your wish. Correct, sir? We're going to do all same only. We'll do one by one. Correct? F disk. Concentrate. Everyone done, no, sir? Please don't speak, sir. Please. /dev SDB. Madito. F disk space /dev SDB. Yes, sir. Type ಮಾಡಿ. Type it. Correct? No. You're getting lot of options, lot of the things here. Leave it that one. You have command M for help anta idya. Type M. It will show what are the options available. It will show what are the options available. M for help. Correct, sir? Now I want to create a new partition. There's an option called as a N, sir. N option any there? Add a new partition. Our job is to create a new partition. Type N, sir. Type Nandan doing, sir. Type N. You get in 2 options there. E and P. E for extender, P for primary. We are going to do P only. Primary. Primary bracket 1 to 4 anta idya. That only shows we created 4 partition. Type P. Type P. Partition number 1. Type 1. Okay. First cylinder, don't give any, sir. Please. These are very important. Please, Aman. First cylinder, don't give anything, just give enter. Don't give anything. First cylinder. Aita. Last cylinder, I want to create a first partition of 2 GB. I want to create a first partition of 2 GB. Plus koto 2 capital G. Plus 2 capital G. Last cylinder only. First cylinder don't give. Understanding? First cylinder just give enter. Okay. Last cylinder plus 2 capital G. Aita, sir? Type enter. Or not enter. Enter only, correct. Now, I want to see what the partition details we created. Illi nodi P idiyalli. P for print the partition. Type P, sir. The SDB1. SDB1 anta, sir. Correct? Now I want to save it. Save is W. Somewhere it's there. Leave it. Okay. Observe. Saving for W. Type W. You type W. I am not going to type. You type W, sir. Type W. It came out. It came out, sir. Yes, sir. Who all done kind difference? All of you. Now, you all saved. I did save. I don't want to think like I done a mistake. Feel like I have done a mistake. Instead of 3 GB, I given 2 GB. I don't want to save it. I don't want to save. At that time, option is Q. W for say you can't do now. You can't do. You already saved. I want to do once again. So only I am doing this thing. So it will repeat it. So it will watch and record. Correct? I am doing once again. You no need to do. Type Q for bit. It not got saved. Correct? ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ LSBL ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿ SDBL ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. LSBL ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್. SDBL ಬಂದಿದ್ಯಾ? ನನ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. Yes, sir. Getting my point, sir? Understanding, yes or no? Clear, right? Now, I am going to redo. Type N, P for prime partition, partition number 1, first cylinder, nothing, last cylinder plus 2 capital G. Yes, sir? No. I want to save it W. Right. Correct, sir? Now, partition has been created. If now if I do LSBLK, SDB1 bandirutte. Correct. Done. Now, observe. Important point. Observe. Sir. Coming on, what happened to this thing? Oh, okay. Done, sir? Coming? Okay. Now, SDB1 came, sir. Partition got created, but kernel doesn't aware about this partition created on. To make kernel aware, one option is to reboot the server. Another option we going to do from command. We have a command called as a kpartx. If you run a kpartest command, it's going to read the partition table and going to update to the kernel. Now partition got created, but kernel doesn't cover about new partition. New partition and table update agilla. So to read the partition table, we need to use the command kpartest or partprobe. Any two command, any of the one command, SDB, sorry. Kpartest class SDB ಮಾಡಿ. Done. Now hardware part is ready. Hard disk we added, partition is created, 2 GB, everything ready. But by using this, you can be able to write the data? No. Partition create agide sir. By using this data, by using this SDB1, I can't be able to write data. Okay. In Windows also, hopefully you have seen or not, I'm not aware, sir. Okay. Ella in this PC gogi. This PC, if you go to C drive or anything, this PC you go, sir. Next to C drive, you're able to see NTFS. You're able to see or not? No. NTFS ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಸರ್ NTFS ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? No one. Okay. So sorry, yours is new one. No? Right click properties. Click on C drive. Right click on properties. NTFS ಇದೆಯಾ ಇವಾಗ? What is this NTFS? That is the matter. NTFS consider. No. Abdana, please. Come back here now. Who all done formatting of the pen drive? Pen drive format. Yaru madilla. No. Okay. When you please observe, sir. Everyone has pen drive. Correct, no, sir. Everyone has formatted. No. Nobody only deleted only. Never you done format pen drive. Done, sir. What is the use of format, sir? Why you do format? But we can delete also. Format mean what? It should make a fresh virus in the car. And that virus format what is fresh installation. When you do formatting of the pen drive, please observe. Either the Manoj, what is it? Karthik. Kaushik. Okay. Done? When you do formatting of pen drive, please observe, you will get an option of FAT32. Anyone see? FAT32 also option bರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? If you not done today after reaching home, please do it. You will understand. FAT32 option will come. FAT32 is what? That is the point. Please. FAT32 is a please observe. FAT32 is a file system. It is used to make the write the data on the pen drive. Please observe, sir. FAT32 is a file system. Is used to make the data to be written on the pen drive. Getting my point, sir? Now we have a hardware, but data to be written on the hardware, right? We can't directly write data on the hardware, sir. We should have one component that is the file system. That is the file system. Please observe. Please be very clear in this point. Hardware part ready ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಾವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ವೇರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. There should be some communication from hardware to software. That component is the file system. It can be memory card, it can be CD drive, it can be floppy drive, it can be DVD, it can be iPad, it can be external hard disk. Anything on a hardware. To make the data to be written on the hardware, we should have the file system. It can be pen drive, it can be memory card, it can be CD drive, it can be DVD, it can be any storageable device. That is hardware. To write data on the hardware, we should have file system. Correct, sir. Pen drive hange FAT32 file system. Windows hange NTFS. ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? That is network file system. That is network. ಅದೇ ತರ Linux ಅಲ್ಲಿ exe4 exe3 ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ext4, ext3, xfs is a newly introduced from Red Hat 7 onwards. Getting my point, sir? I repeat once again. Till now we done only the hardware part. Hard disk management is the partition created. When you want to create partition, directly you can't add the data to the partition. To make the data to be written in the hardware, we should have file system. Correct, sir? Windows alli NTFS agutte, NTFS network file system, pen drive, FAT32, other DVD, CD go ಇದೆ. Linux alli ext4, ext3, xfs is the advanced one. That we are going to discuss in during Red Hat 7. Getting my point, sir? Understanding? Yes or no? Only by creating partition, data can't be written. File system should be written on created on the hardware to make the data to be written on the hardware. Getting my point, sir? Understood? Yes? No?
Yes, sir.
That's the thing we're going to do. You know what? Please, sir. During inode part, inode can't be increased, decreased. Inode will be automatically assigned during file system or partition, I told. Yes or no? That will get proved now. That will get proved now. Type the command before that. ಆ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಷನ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ LS ಬೆಲ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಅದೇ ಫೈಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ ವಿ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಐಡಿ /sdb1 ಮಾಡಿ. ಏನು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಡು blk id /sdb1. You won't get any entry, right, sir? Now type mkfs, give 2 times tap button, tap keyboard button 2 times, tap keyboard button 2 times madi. You get a lot of options there. Tap keyboard button 2 times. You type mkfs, keyboard button tap 2 times. Yes or no? You're getting a lot of mkfs. These are the types of file system available in your Linux server. ext4 extensively used, ext3 also used, but xfs also another file system that is using in Red Hat 7 onwards. That we are going to discuss. That's only one command difference, nothing changes. Correct, sir? Now we are going to use the recent one. mkfs.ext4/dev/sdb1. What do you? mkfs.ext4/sdb1. Please, everyone. Manta sir, mkfs.ext4/sdb1. Done? Yes? No? ಇವಾಗ blk id /sdb1 ಕೊಡಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಕೊಡಿ blk id /sdb1. What, sir? Any issue? Doing or not? Face is getting like frustrated face. What happened to you? Working, not working? Working. You want fan? I can't help, sir. Recording. ಏನು ಮಾಡಲಿ ನಾನು ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ನನಗೆ ಇವಾಗ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ನಂಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಕೇಳಿ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. You should not ask. I can't help. Like keeping the okay. The recording is I can't help. So otherwise, what I can do? I'm also suffering here. Correct? Done, sir? Make file system. Full form is make file system. Going to create a file system on /sdb. Correct, sir? ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಐಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಎಂಟಿ ಬಂತು. ಇವಾಗ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಬಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತ partition. This is the ID got created. That is the type of file system. Correct, sir? Now everything done. Everything done. Windows only. Once again. Who all done this all the case? Now Windows ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಫೈಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಡಬಲ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಿ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ನ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಹೌದಾ? Linux we can't do like this. Linux we can't do double click on also. To use this partition, file system or partition, another one point I should tell you. Inode got created automatically. Inode. Inode. Yes, sir. This I told during Inode. Inode will automatically get created during the partition. We can't increase or decrease. Right? Yes or no? Now everything done. I need to use this 2 GB now. If you 2 GB use ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ಲಾಶ್ SDB ಅಂತ ಹೋಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ವಿಂಡೋಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಡಬಲ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. Linux ಅಲ್ಲಿ we need to create whenever you want to use one partition, you need to create one directory. You need to mount slash SDB1 to this directory. Correct, sir? What are the things you saving under this directory? It is saving under slash SDB1. Understand my point, sir? We are going to create one directory. We are going to mount SDB1 to this directory. What the data I create under this directory? The data is saved under slash SDB1. Understanding my point? Yes or no? Because Windows we can directly double click and open. Linux is not possible. Linux we can't directly go and create slash SDB1. No. You need to mount and use it. Understanding, sir? Clear? That's the last step we are going to do. Clear, sir? Please. But before the DFF and H code is name, you won't be able to see slash SDB1. You won't be able to see slash SDB1. Yes or no? Now, let's create a directory mkdir slash what's the date today? 20 na? Normal. August. You can give any name. Anywhere you can do. I am creating a directory. Create a directory mkdir slash where normal underscore August 20. Your wish, what is the name you want to do. Ready? Now, mount add SDB1 mounting to slash where normal August 20. This is the important command. df-h. Mount slash SDB1 space the directory what you created. Yes or no? No? Who all got this thing? Yes, what happened? Create a directory. Last second bench. Manoj and friends. Your friends. Done, sir? Shall you go ahead? Kaushik. Your friend. Done, sir? I have doubt on you, sir. Starting, we have different version of it. This is what you do. Let it get for the yeah. Aita? Clear? Now. Ready? Now. Now we create a file system showing df-h also. Now we will test it. Mine ಯಾವುದೇ partition ಏನು create ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? Saving the files and folder. Now we need to go to slash var normal August 20 cd ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರಿಗೆ mount ಆಗಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರಿ cd ಮಾಡಿ. Let's create a few files. Touch. This is the proof whether you are able to create a file or not. Then it's ready for, if you are able to create, then it's a proof, it's ready to use. Yes, sir. Then go inside the directory, create a file, sir. Touch J. Yes, sir. Now it's ready to use. We tested also. Now do ls-lt. You'll be able to see one entry called as a lost plus found. That is the important. How can I verify it's a mounted directory or a normal directory? Normal directory create ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ last plus found ಬರಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ. Correct. So when you get last plus found entry, that meaning is one of the partition has been mounted on the directory. When you're not getting last plus found, it's a normal directory. When you get in last plus found, it's a mounted directory. That means one of the partition has been mounted on the directory. Clear my point? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Super. Now what are the files we created? If the files are not saved inside the directory, it's saved under /sdb1. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? What the data is saved in files you created /1 normal August 20, right? The data is not saved inside the directory. The data is saved file and saved under /sdb1. Understood my point? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Understood my point, sir? I'm going to show you demo also, that one. Don't worry. You will also going to do. For that one we created files. Clear, sir? Now what we going to do? Understood? Yes? No?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir. Yes, sir.
Correct. Positive voice always good. Come back. Now all data saved as /1 normal August 20. Now my manager is Aditya. He told I am not happy with the naming convention of the directory. You need to mention the HCL technology August 20. Correct? We can rename the directory, it will automatically do, but I don't want to rename. I want to prove you. What the data saved in the directory is not under the directory, it's saved under the /sdb1. So first I'm going to unmount the directory now. Then I'm going to create a new directory. I'm going to mount /sdb1 to again to a new directory. ಏನೇನು ಫೈಲ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಲ್ಲ ಆ ಫೈಲ್ ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಇರಬೇಕು. Understand my point, sir? Clear my point? Yes or no? So first you're going to unmount the directory. Please. Take the command umount. Umount for mounting, umount for unmounting. Umount /1 normal August 20 agala. Because we are already inside the directory. Being inside directory, we can't unmount it. Being inside directory, we can't unmount it. Go to one directory backward. cd space double dot ಕೊಡಿ. ತಿರ್ಗಾ try to unmount it. ಇವಾಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? Yes, no. Being inside directory, you can't unmount it. Done? Yes, no. df-h you do. sdb1 ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ? Super. Now another verification. I told /sdb data saved in /sdb mount directory create ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು /sdb1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರಿನ ಅನ್ಮೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರಲ್ಲ. ಇವಾಗ ತಿರ್ಗಾ cd ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರಿಗೆ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಆಗಸ್ಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರಲ್ಲ. cd ಮಾಡಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರಿಗೆ ls-lt ಕೊಡಿ ಆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. Yes or no? Where the files went? That is the point you should understand. The files what we created, it is saved under /sdb1. What the data is creating, right? That not saving under the directory. It is saving under the partition or file system. Is it clear? Correct? Now I need to see the get back again. Either directory mount ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ the file ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. But I want to show you different directory. So you'll get a confidence on the concept. Correct, alva sir? Now mkdir /var. What the name I can give? That guy name. What's your name, sir? Yashwant. Okay. Yashwant, August 20. Okay, any name you can give. Create one directory like that. Then create one new directory. Then now I'm going to mount, sir. Mount /dev sdb1 na /var Jashwant August 20 mount ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? Now df-h sdb1 showing. Now I'll go to cd /var Jashwant August 20. ls-lt ls command, all the files came. Super.
Create a directory, mount on directory, go inside directory, do ls-ltr or ls command. ls files banta. This proves your data not saved inside directory, data saved inside the partition. This is the thing I want to get the contents of you. This you got it or not? Yes, sir. Mr. Vivek. Then, sir. Aita? Understood my point, sir? Clear? Any doubt here? No doubt? Sure. Very good. Now, come back. Now, what are the things till now we done? Mounting everything we done, right? That is, everything is permanent. Last step, mount command use ಮಾಡಿದೀವಲ್ಲ sir. Mount ಅದು ಮಾತ್ರ permanent ಅಲ್ಲ. That is effective only for current session. That will be effective until server get rebooted. ಎಲ್ಲ ಪರ್ಮನೆಂಟ್ ಮೌಂಟ್ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಅದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಪರ್ಮನೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಹೌ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ದ ಪರ್ಮನೆಂಟ್? ವೇರ್ ಪರ್ಮನೆಂಟ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ ಲಿನಕ್ಸ್ ಸರ್ವರ್? ETC ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಫೈಲ್ ಇದೆ fs tab ಅಂತ, ಆ ಫೈಲ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ವಿ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡು ಟುಮಾರೋ, ನಾಟ್ ಟುಡೇ. ದಿಸ್ ಎವರಿವನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಶೋ ಯು ಅನದರ್ ಒನ್ ಡೆಮೋ ಟುಮಾರೋ. ಒನ್ ವೇ ಆಫ್ ಅನ್ಮೌಂಟಿಂಗ್, ಅನ್ಮೌಂಟ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಇವತ್ತು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ. ಅದೇ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅನ್ಮೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, because the inside directory can't, so we need to come out. I'm going to show another option tomorrow. Reason of unmounting, why we can't mount another one. Then we'll discuss SAP configuration, SAP memory. Anytime SAP default SAP memory full ಆದ್ರೂ ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಹೌದಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? That we going to do. One partition can be used as a storage, saving files and folders. One partition can be converted into SAP memory also. That we going to do tomorrow. Once we complete that, day after tomorrow, we are going to start LVM. LVM we going to do. Correct, sir? Understanding here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
I'll discuss the questions on Wednesday, because this requires more time. I require the more content. I don't want to make anyone to feel bad when asking questions. So everyone get thinking about I'm not able to answer this thing. I want to go in positive mode this 3 days. Wednesday I'll ask the question. This Saturday or Sunday practical test is there. We cover till what we covered, madam? Group administration. This week we'll cover till permissions. You not attended last week also. Complete Aman and group. Yes sir. Practical test sir. You attend ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ? Okay. ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಬರಬೇಕು.